As the sun sets over the Mara, other predators are on the prowl. Spotted hyena. They choose the dim confusion of dusk to switch from reputable scavenging to coordinated hunting. Hyena are the most numerous big predators on the Mara. Their clans can reach 80 animals strong, and this strength in numbers ensures a kill almost every night. They circle the wildebeest, looking for their best chance. Hyenas have an extremely well-developed sense of smell and hearing, and excellent night vision. They are on the lookout for the sick, starving, or weakest individuals. One hyena breaks away. The hunt is on. She dives into the herd, singling out one of this year's calves. Hyenas may travel 80 kilometers from their den in search of food. And when hunting, their endurance is key to their success. Their victims, unable to keep up with the hyena's staying power, end up being run to exhaustion. The calf is driven into the open. Here, the rest of the clan is waiting. Hyenas have the strongest bite of any mammals and can easily chew their way through solid bone. The calf's fate seems sealed. Then something incredible. A hyena from a rival clan bears down on the prey. The pack breaks away. Hyena won't tolerate a rival on their patch, and they can always catch another calf. Battered and bruised and no doubt terrified, the calf staggers to its feet and races off to rejoin the herd. It's been a close shave. The early morning light of dawn reveals the hyena were lucky in the night. They managed to bring down another wildebeest calf. Jackals, vultures, marabou storks are always on hand to steal what morsels they can. But there are bigger scavengers on the lookout this morning. A young male lion. His prey hasn't been so successful, and they're hungry. In a reverse of popular perception, the lions now turn scavenger and attempt to drive the hyena off their kill. It's a standoff. The lion may be the biggest cat in Africa, but faced with overwhelming numbers, they stand little chance of stealing the kill away.